Greetings, class. As we approach the finish line, I just want to say it's been a pleasure and an honor, frankly, um, creating and building this learning community together, right, through together action. And the three legs of that stool, as I mentioned at the top of this journey, fresh, eloquent, professional, right? That third leg of the stool, be professional, right? Run through the finish line, and please provide us, Taylor and I, as well as the writer's studio in general, some valuable feedback um, through the course evaluations. So don't forget, the course evaluations are due by Monday night, and I am really eager to read some of your feedback. You know, what's working, what isn't, what could we do better for those who follow you, right? So together action. Um, as well. Excellent work on your problem solution proposal drafts. That's the freshness angle, right? They were fresh, eloquent, and professional, and of course, a pleasure to read. So as you begin to think about your revision due Sunday night, um, remember the your recent top hat lesson, right, regarding the power of the presentation and design, the way your final revision appears to your audience's eyes. That has deep meaning and says something profound about you as a scholar. So, are you knowledgeable about APA conventions, ethos? Do you employ effective logic to persuade your target audience, logos? And third, is your reasoning cool, detached, and concise, pathos? So finally, here is your chance, as I noted, to practice some professional feedback towards Taylor and I, as well as I said, the Writer's Studio in general. So please be sure to complete your English 102 course evaluations as soon as possible. Note this is not the same submission as a course survey. So we don't mean to be burdening you with all these fine details, but the key is be professional, run through the finish line. Excuse me. And of course, these course evaluations are anonymous, and they help to improve our writing classes for future sessions. So let us know what worked for you and what could be improved upon. Here's a link to those course evaluations. So once again, I'm appealing to you, be a pro, be like a pro, do your professional part, and let us know your thoughts on our class, por favor. And just to review the upcoming deadlines, your problem solution proposal revised draft is due this Sunday by midnight. That's February 25th. And don't forget, it's a 4-step process. So don't forget to include your self assessment as well as your advocacy ad of your own creation. And the self assessment for your revised draft is different from your final reflection, which is due Tuesday at midnight. So, again, keep all these details in order like a pro, right? For your final reflection, you're going to need to include 4 to 6 visual examples or evidence of your experience with writing this spring A 2024 term. Be sure to publish to the reflections tab in the course for this course in your portfolio, and include a hyperlink, please, to your portfolio on Google Sites within the reflection so that I can view it. And then finally, also do Tuesday night at midnight your final portfolio submission. And here are the basic requirements there. Portfolio URL provided, please. 100 to 250 words on the home page about you. This has probably already been done. Another 150 to 250 words on the About Me page, right? So make your portfolio complete. And then the two reflections. I'm sorry, it should be 2 reflections here. We used to do 3 reflections in English 102. And you could even think that, you know, when you did that rough draft, you had kind of a reflection embedded in there. So consider this final reflection your third reflection. And that needs to be included in the English 102 classes page under, of course, reflections. And then the gallery page, which is also under that same tab, English 102, of 3 or 4 samples, most recent samples ideally, of selected coursework or other relevant composing that you would like to share. Then that's all, folks. So again, it's been an honor building this learning community with you. Let's make it solid. Let's finish that third leg of this stool and be professional. Attend to your course evaluations. Thank you very much. Take care.